Hey everyone, Kia of Saskatoon here with another fresh trade-in, and here we are, folks. Just keep in mind that we are taking anything as a trade-in: boat, RVs, cars, trucks, whatever it is, we're going to take a look at and we'll give you a value on it. Now, take a look at this 2017 Ford Fusion. It's an SC that is all-wheel drive with that EcoBoost engine, so you get that fantastic gas mileage while you get some nice power out of it as well. As you can see in the back here, you got the nice leather seats, you got leather seating up front, power seating as well. Also as well, when you take a look up here, you have the Ford Sync system. Really good system, works really well. You got heated seats up front for the driver and passenger, turn dial here, electronic parking brake. Open up down here, let's take a look inside. There you go, more USB plugins and a 12 volt. There you go. And of course, this comes with remote start, push button start as well. And there you go, you even got that intelligent all-wheel drive system on the dash, which looks really cool. And only 57,000 kilometers. This is a good buy, it's a good deal. The Ford Fusion is a great car from Ford. Lots of people are raving about it. So why don't you come on down and check out why it's really good. So yeah, once again, we take anything on trade. Also as well, we look forward to seeing you here. Make sure to follow us on our YouTube, our Facebook, as well as our Instagram. We look forward to seeing you folks here.